Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and now we are doing an exercise 189, which is making a small gear. So I can explain it to you how to make a small gear. So let's get started for this one. Okay, so we'll take a prone plane, choose the prone plane. So it shows now the prone plane in front of you. Do some sketch. Press the sketch and make a circle. First, we go to the option, go to the document properties, and use the units with this IPS, with this inch, pounds, and seconds. It's correct. Press OK, and press this to close the dialog box, and use the smart dimension, and click the side of the circle. It shows that 6.42, but I wanted to use the 3 inch. So press the inch and regenerate the model with the current value. Press that one and click OK. And then click this, close the dialog box. Now, let's do another circle, smaller one. And then press the side, use maybe 1.5 as a unit as an inch, and press regenerate and click OK. Now we wanted to make it as a solid on this drawing that I made. So let's use the picture, extrude, boss base, where I use the mid plane every time. So let's do the thickness of that drawing. That is maybe 2 inch. So that is 2 inch. Press that one, or maybe we'll change it to 1.5. 1.5 inch. So it shows the thickness that I wanted. So press click this OK, the boss extrude dialog box, and now we made a SolidWorks object. Okay, and then I want to have some kind of key slot on this area. So press that one, and then to the normal 2 in front of you, and let's do first the save button. Save button right now. Let's do the detail. So this is 189, so there it will be 189 exercise. So let's save it. And now let's do the normal 2. Okay, and then click the sketch, and then I wanted to have something like let's do something like a corner rectangle. So let's do a drawing from here. Then use something like a center line, using a line that connects into the center and through here, and select. And now use the smart dimension. It is, let's put it as 0.45. Unit is inch. Press the regenerate and click OK. So I want this one in the center. Let's put it first the depth. The depth let's say 0.45 also as the depth. It's okay. Now they're all almost the same. So let's do some center. Now we make sure that from here, let's do some measurement again. From here to here, we'll make it as 0.225. Now it's centered. And then this one from smart dimension, that is, let's do this one to here. Oops. Let's remove this one first. And now measure this one to here. So let's do 0.75 in inches. So let's do 1.0. That's good. So this one will be different. That's 0.35. So that's one is good. And then we extruded from going, oops, no, not that one, extrude cut. Use the extrude cut. You can see that it will cut throughout the drawing, but I wanted to stop in here. So let's go and use the up to the next. Great. So it goes in. So it cuts right through that end of the object. Now, I'm planning to have a gear that is to be here, up to here. It's on the middle. So let's do a normal 2 with a sketch in it. So let's do another center line. Okay. Let's do another one from here. Oops. From here to here. Let's make sure that one, or put some dimension of 0.5. Okay. And then let's make a circle. Let's say the circle will be about 0.1. That's okay. Then let's do some 3-point arc. 3-point arc from here from here to here. Then we'll make it a little bit, okay, that one. Let's do some, okay, let's do a mirror that entities. So mirror that about from here to here, and press OK. Yep. So let's do this one and this one. Press the shift key and click those arc. So tangent 2, let's make it tangent. So both of them are tangent already. Okay. And then let's go to picture or the sketch. Let's check the entities that is to be power trim onto here. Or not, trim away inside, trim the closest. Okay, now it's been trimmed. Okay, and then let's do some point on art from here to here to here. So there's an art there, and then let's do some pictures that is to be extruded from here to this area. So let's do some on the other end. So let's do something like 0.75 in the unit of inch, just like that. Okay, and press OK. And now we have a small gears for the whole of the and then we will do some pattern, that is the circle pattern with this. Let's put it as 9 and with the center on here, so it will rotate at 360 degrees, and the picture itself will be that this teeth. So you see that the boss extrude is the teeth, that it goes through 360 degrees, and it at an instance of 9 teeth for the sprocket. It is a sprocket, not a gear. It is used for a sprocket, like on the bicycle. So we'll do that way, and let's press OK. So now we made a sprocket teeth. Let's do something like another. Let's do the boss, because it's. Let's do the edit for the picture for the boss with this. Let's do it as a 3, as a unit in inch. Okay, so that one will be more bigger, right? So I wanted to have something like another one here, so we'll put another one, but it will be a mirror step. It is mirroring this area. So the mirror to be placed is the front plane itself, and the boss extrude is this one, will be mirror on the other side of the end of the gears, or the of the sprocket. Press OK. Now you can see that it's already mirror. Let's say this one will be on the other end. So now the keyhole will be set to that end on the drawing. I just push the cut extrude keyhole, so it will extrude on the other end on this side. Okay. Now both of them have a sprocket. Thank you for watching.